falling to pieces in my
Hello guys, so nandito na pala tayo sa isang gasolinahan. First stop namin to. By the way, hindi na ako nakapag vlog kanina at saka kahapon kasi guys, sobrang busy na naman. Final hakot namin, hindi ko na binlog. Naghakot kami ng gamit namin doon sa bahay or basement ng bahay ng kaibigan ko. So, medyo busy talaga guys, and then din kami, nag-cleaning, general cleaning ulit kasi patapos na nga yung lease namin ngayong March. And yung ibang gamit guys, kung nakita nyo sa previous clip na naiwan doon sa apartment, kukunin nyo ng kaibigan ko, yung bed tsaka yung ibang gamit. So ayun guys, kasi wala na talagang time. So ayun, by the way, we're here at Sioux City and magsa-stop kami mamaya kasi hapon na guys. So mahirap mag-drive ng gabi. So mas maganda mag-stop na lang kami ng maaga-aga ngayon, and then tomorrow early kaming aalis ng Sioux Falls pala kami pupunta guys, or magsa-stop para mag-check-in. So doon kami matutulog for a night and then continue yung driving tomorrow. So lang yung update, and let's see later kung may maiba-vlog pa ako. Rush siya.
Welcome to South Dakota!
We are here na sa Sioux Falls guys, and kinuha ko na pala yung card namin sa aming pagsistayan, and nagpapagas lang ulit yung husband ko. Tomorrow balik kami ulit, paulit-ulit diba, balik kami ulit sa pagdadrive after ng breakfast. And ngayon din guys, naghahanap din kami ng mapagbibilhan ng take out food or to go na food para doon na lang kami kakain sa loob ng para relax na lang. So ayun guys, yun lang yung update. So we're here at the room na guys. O diba, nagka-energy. So guys, same room na binook namin nung last time, nung pauwi pa kami ng Omaha. Same lang siya guys, so hindi na ako mag-room tour kasi same lang talaga guys. Ayan o. Hindi nyo pakita. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Same room lang talaga. And may take-out food na kami guys. Doon kami sa pinagkainan namin ng breakfast before umorder. And so far, nagustuhan kasi namin yung breakfast nila. So, itatry namin yung dinner food nila. So, ayan guys. Quick room tour. And we're gonna rest because it's already 6. So, after namin mag-dinner, gora na para mag-rest ng maaga. Paga din tayo bukas guys. And wala masyadong view sa labas. Yan pala yung husband ko. Tinapat namin yung yung sasakyan sa room namin. Nauna kasi ako dito. Tapos sabi niya, i-check mo sa window kung saan yung parking spot para doon tayo pa-parking para kita pa din namin si Harvey, at least, di ba? Kampante kami na walang mangyayari sa sasakyan. Although meron namang CCTV sa labas talaga. So, safe naman. Pero gusto kasi ng husband ko na makita talaga na hindi mawawala yung sasakyan. Which is good naman. So, ayun guys. Yun lang yung update and kakain na kami. Hindi ko pa alam kung magbablog pa ako guys kasi pagoda talaga ako. Pagoda din yung husband ko sa paglilinis and paghakot ng mga gamit since yesterday pa. So, ayun guys.
Tomorrow for sure.
So we're here at Frying Pan again guys to have our breakfast. So balik na tayo sa room and ano na guys, nag-freshen up lang ako and then nag-CR din yung husband ko and alis na din kami guys. So guys, another side trip dito sa Mitchell ST. Dito tayo guys, oh. Current location. Nag-stop kami kanina sa gasolinahan. And then sabi ng husband ko, meron daw corn, tinatawag na corn palace na sikat dito. So, stop lang kami really quick guys. Gala ng konti. Then, continue tayo sa pagdadrive. Mga 2.5 hours na lang. Di naman kung hindi kami magsa-stop. Mga 2.5 hours, nandun na tayo sa Rapid City. And it's currently 12 noon. So yan guys, gala muna tayo real quick.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it, you know. I don't fall to the pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Why you tripping? I just want serenity, so you can miss me with the negativity, and you can witness all the possibilities. And it hit different when you feel the energy, and I'm a lot of energy for enemies. I keep the peace, I let the hate be rest in peace. I take it from the streets and bring it to the beach. And it don't gotta end, just put it on repeat. Though you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Don't fake this.
Oh God.
I promise we can make
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I
Anong meron dito? Para siyang stadium or what? It's a court.
like a ghost, thinking that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's
It's a
cold,
basketball court, guys.
it's cold around when you're not here.
First time ko makapasok dito.
But this ice box
Ay, world's only corn palace. Yun lang yata yun lang dito, guys. Natin lang dito sa kanto.
she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. I just know she'll be my downfall.
So guys, bumalik na tayo dito sa sasakyan. Wala naman siya masyadong makikita doon. Para ano nga lang siya, basketball court. Kaya pala free admission. Tapos meron lang silang gift shop sa labas. Sa front mismo ng Court Palace. So, hindi na kami pumasok doon, guys. So yun, let's go back to our driving.
Praying she won't be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. She's all I know, 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 she's all I know.
She's all I know, 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 she's all I know.
Shall I compare to a summer day?
Dito tayo ulit sa rest area, guys, para mag parking at mag-ihi muna. Kasi para nagsasabog yung pantog. So yan, guys, may magandang view kanina. Puntahan natin yun. Nandun sa kabilang side kasi siya. So here is the view, guys. And may statue sila ng Native American. Dito tayo sa DQ guys. Bibili tayo ng pa-cake sa ating friend na birthday.
Later.